Winged Canvas is a virtual art school. We're a team of professional artists and designers with a passion for teaching. We're dedicated to nurturing talent and providing personalized feedback and mentorship for each individual. Virtual classes are interactive and live, allowing students to safely learn from the comfort of home or anywhere in the world. Our signature teaching method nurtures with new concepts, explores style and purpose, recreates with step-by-step demos to design meaningful artwork. The future of learning is here. Now you can join a class in minutes and save hours commuting. Technology will help people in remote areas access quality arts education from home. Art nerds are able to learn together and connect virtually from all around the world. We invite you to try a virtual art class and discover your creative potential.